Hello guys! After all that wait, Bluelock series part 3 is here. It contains better shooting, shop, BallAnims RotatingRing rolling packs. But you must enable API service, spoof all of the animations, and publish the game in order to work. The game passes and buying money and goal system will be added to part 4. Enjoy the showcase. To change emotes, go to Emotes lib service in Services folder. This is where all of the information related to emotes are stored. To change the costs of emotes pack, you can look costs table here. You can change the values, and the shop UI will automatically update. You can either change money or Robux, because you can roll from money or Robux. Updating this table will automatically update the shop UI and actual prices. Ignore the toxic emotes table. It is for next parts. Now, if you want to add new emotes, you can name them in emotes table in various rarities, like I am doing here. Just add a name to the table. Make sure you actually have an animation object with the same name you just added to the table inside Emotes folder. Moving on to changing the goal effects info, it's pretty much the same. Change the costs table here to change costs of goal effects packs. As for adding new goal effects, that's same as emotes too. You just need to add new names to various rarities you want, and also add a part with the same name inside Goal Effects folder. You can also change the odds of the packs that are displayed on the UI in this table, but make sure the odds don't exceed 3 categories and the names don't change. You can only change the percentage. If you do one of them, you have to change the structure. Also make sure the total odds add up to 100. Alright guys, that is up for part 3. If you want the file, join my Discord, link in description. And for more amazing stuff like this, subscribe, like, and share.